Hey YouTube, this is Zach with Savage Traveling. I'm going to show you what I pack for a 30 to 45 day Southeast Asia backpacking adventure slash motorbike from Ho Chi Minh to Hanoi. And it's really the same thing I pack for every trip, and it's really simple. I pack light as it comes. I have 5 underwear, 5 socks, 2 t-shirts, an extra pair of zip-off like cargo pants and like socks, I said. And this is what I'd wear as a zip-off cargo pants, a shirt, socks, and you know. I bring a washcloth because a lot of Southeast Asian guest houses, hotels, usually, I mean, some do, but maybe they do more in Vietnam, more so than Thailand, but I always bring one just in case because I like to scrub off, you know what I mean? And like a hanky just for whatever. Here's my drone. It's a Mavic Mini. It's charged with a micro USB, as well as the Canon G7X's micro USB, and my battery pack here is micro USB. GoPro and my phone are USB-C. That's my toiletries. I bring a little assortment of everything to start, and then if I run out, I buy more there. Like I said, I have a spare battery, 2 spare batteries for the G7X, a power pack. I have a 2 terabyte hard drive here. I bring my earbuds, Soundcore earbuds. This is my charger for my beard trimmer. This is a chest mount, so when I'm riding, I can get, good GoPro video for my chest. This is a head mount if I decide to put the GoPro on my head. There's the G7X Mark III, I think it is. It's the Mark III. And I bring my Asus ZenBook. It's like a 500 gigabyte hard drive and 16 gigs of RAM, and that's like a heavy duty USB-C fast charger. My Galaxy S10 Plus. This is a Rick Steves day pack I bought several years ago. It probably needs wash, but it's a great day pack. It's not too big, not too small. This pack safe, it has the exo mesh. I don't know if you can see that. That's where if they, somebody tried to slice it open while you're on the bus or whatever, there's, little steel cables in there or whatever it is to try to avoid a situation like that. They also come with these cool little locks here. I don't know how well you can see that in these shadows, but it locks both the openings. Both openings have that, so I feel pretty secure with that. I've never had any issue. Great pack overall. They don't really sell this model anymore. I couldn't even find it on eBay a few minutes ago. But PackSafe sells all kinds of stuff still like that, with the idea of keeping you safe, your valuables safe while you're traveling. Obviously international driving permit, and then my passport. And that is literally like all I take in my bag. I might have my wallet, the shoes on my feet, the clothes I wear. Maybe a jacket. I might not even take a jacket this time, depending on what the weather is. The day I leave, I might just go in a t-shirt because it's gonna, it's summertime over there already. I won't need a jacket. I mean, a friend of mine was like, "Oh, you're gonna be riding motorbike from, Ho Chi Minh to Hanoi," and I'm gonna try. And but wouldn't you want to wear jeans or leather and stuff to protect yourself while riding? Because that's, a lot of people do suit up. Out here where I'm at, and it's just too hot. I couldn't imagine doing it. So I just, go bare minimum. And this is what I take. Like I said, I keep it simple because, I don't want to carry, I'm definitely not checking a bag on the way over. I will, though, like if I'm flying home from Bangkok, which in that part of the world, usually that's where I'm flying home from, no matter where. Like if I land in Vietnam, I'm gonna hop over to Thailand and fly home just for fun or whatever, you know what I mean? But I like to shop. I like to bring t-shirts home from Thailand, Vietnam, wherever I'm at over there, because sometimes I sell them on eBay, or sometimes I just see things I like, or there's a certain deodorant I like over there. I bring that home, but I will buy a whole bag for anywhere from 500 baht to 1,000, 1,500 baht in the mall, get me a nice size bag, and then I'll load that with t-shirts I buy and bring them home, sell them, give them out as gifts, whatever. And so that's why I pack so light here, because like you can pick up any toiletry or any piece of clothing that you may need while you're over there. So I just bring the bare minimum, enough to get through a week, and with 5 pairs of socks and otherwise, that's plenty enough time to find some, you know, somewhere to wash your clothes. So that's how I do it, guys. I'm a firm believer in these travel packs. I've had those since like early on, 5 or 6 years. And I have 2 other, you know, like a bigger one and a smaller one, but the middle one seems to work for what I have going on, you know. And like with the zip off pant, or, you know, the zip off leg pants, that makes it easy that I don't have to carry a pair of pants and a pair of shorts. And if I need some swim trunks or some elephant pants while I'm over there to sleep in, you know, you just buy them. Like, so if you had a question about that, that's how I do it. And that's how if somebody asks me, that's how I tell them to do it. Because, why carry more than you have to and bring a whole bunch of stuff you'll probably never even get out of the bag. So anyways, guys, that's been Zach with Savage Traveling, showing you what I pack for 30 to 45 days in Southeast Asia and probably most other places. Now, if this was like a European backpacking trip, I'd probably bring a microfiber towel, which I have one. I looked for it, I can't find it. And maybe a like one of those, it's like a sleeping bag made out of a sheet. It's like a bed liner or a sleeping bag liner. That's good to have over there, just in case. Like, it's just good to have. You might not have anything on your bed unless they want you to pay extra, and if you're not in the mood to pay extra, you just pull it out of your bag and use it. But I don't do that in Asia because I've never really gotten to too many bad hotels in Asia. Like, I try to stick to a certain, you know, middle range of hotel, not too great but not too bad. And I've never been like freaked out. So I stopped bringing, you know, both the microfiber and the sleeping bag liner because they're heavy, and I found myself never using them. So right on, guys, this is Zach with Savage Traveling. I will definitely, the next video will definitely be from Vietnam or along the way somewhere. So peace.